Maha Shivratri is around the corner, and if you're fasting, you already know Sabudana becomes the real star of the kitchen. So today we're sharing 3 delicious Sabudana recipes that are perfect for vrat. If you think Sabudana is only for khichdi, this recipe will surprise you. We are making Sabudana Custard. For this, first soak the Sabudana overnight. Now boil some water in a pan and add the soaked Sabudana. Let it cook for about 5 minutes or until the pearls turn translucent. Once translucent, add coconut milk and sugar. This gives it that rich, creamy, fasting-friendly base. Now let this cook for another 5 minutes and then remove it from heat. Now allow it to cool down completely to room temperature. It will thicken slightly as it cools. Now comes the fun layering part. In a serving bowl or glass, arrange a layer of fresh fruits at the bottom. Now pour a layer of the Sabudana custard on top. Drizzle some fruit crush. Add another layer of fruits and crush. Then pour more custard. Finish with chopped nuts for that beautiful festive touch. Now let's make the classic Sabudana Kheer. We have about 150 grams of Sabudana here. Add it to a bowl and pour in a glass of water to soak for about 30 minutes. You'll notice the Sabudana absorbs all the water and becomes soft. That's exactly what we want. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee, just enough to coat the base. Now add the soaked Sabudana and saute gently. After about 45 minutes, add milk and let it come to a boil. As it starts thickening, reduce the flame. Now add cardamom for aroma and saffron for that beautiful festive color. Let it simmer until the kheer becomes thick and creamy. Finally, add sugar and let it dissolve completely. And that's it, garnish with dry fruits and served warm or chilled. Now for the ultimate vrat classic, Sabudana Khichdi. Heat ghee in a pan and add cumin seeds. Once they start crackling, add ginger, curry leaves and green chilies. Saute for a few seconds until the raw smell of ginger disappears. Now add the chopped boiled potatoes and saute for a minute. Add the soaked Sabudana and cook on a low flame, stirring frequently for about 4 to 6 minutes. Finish with rock salt and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Serve hot, fluffy and absolutely delicious. So these were 3 easy and delicious Sabudana recipes you can make this Maha Shivratri, sweet, savory and something refreshing too. So which one are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie for more such festive recipes.